This video will help explain how to install and adjust the beam pattern for the ALB-HL and the AG1HL LED bulbs. We'll be using H11 bulbs for this demonstration. Begin by removing the halogen bulb. Turn the bulb counterclockwise and pull it out. When installing the LED bulb, first line up the locking tabs on the bulb with the slots in the housing. Insert the bulb into the housing. Now, turn the bulb clockwise. The bulb will spin in the chuck, so you'll need to continue rotating the bulb until it hits the stop block. When the bulb hits the block, turn it one more time to lock the chuck. When it's locked, the bulb needs to be vertical in the housing with the chips facing out to the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock positions. To adjust the bulb, push and turn the bulb in the chuck like you would open a pill bottle until it's properly aligned. To remove the LED bulb, rotate the bulb counterclockwise. Just like when installing, you'll need to keep rotating the bulb until the chuck hits the stop block. Turn it again to unlock the bulb, and pull it out. It's not uncommon for the chuck to remain in the housing. You can simply remove the chuck with your fingers or with a screwdriver.